Panoramic from Lloyd Land Rover in Stockton. Today we've got a new example of the Range Rover stock. This one is finished in Eiger Grey, it's a 3-litre diesel. It looks absolutely stunning. Starting at the front, we've got the dynamic styling pack, so you've got that more aggressive, sporty looking aesthetic, in contrast with the Atlas Grey Range Rover badging and branding. Coming to the side profile of this vehicle, we've got 21-inch diamond turns, alloy wheels with gloss black accents that pull in very nicely with the paint colour and the style. Power folding wing mirrors, keyless entry, again standard 2 Range Rover Sport with privacy glass on this one in particular. Coming to the rear, again you've got that dual exhaust, you've got a reverse camera standard, all the HSE branding, and a huge boot to get back to Range Rover Sport with extra storage underneath. Air suspension controls that can be operated not just from the rear, but from the cockpit as well. Then if we come to where the passengers sit, we've got ebony perforated leather with black stitch, no clear signs of wear and tear. Being a HSE, you do get rear heated seats as well, with fast charge points in the back, and this lovely light oyster finish on the door cards with a Meridian Sound system. This car's only done 34,219 miles, so if you are looking for a very low mileage car and a low mileage example, look no further. Heated steering wheel, cruise control, memory electric seats, the Touch Pro Duo system with both screens, and of course a sliding panoramic roof. So again, this car comes with all the options you would look for in a car like this. So if you're looking for a Range Rover Sport, this is where this is fully used up in Eiger Grey. Should you have any questions, it's priced to sell to go for immediate delivery, feel free to inquire online or call to know what's